Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning. I am braiding and branding my hair because I am going to shampoo my hair this morning in the shower. I am taking this one out for the sake of some of my new subscribers. I've noticed that there's a lot of new sisters with Sisterlocks. You've been waiting for your installation, and I am so happy for you. I remember the excitement that I had before my installation. So congratulations on getting your Sisterlocks. I know that braiding and banding sometimes seems taxing, but it won't always be that way. You'll get used to it, and it's a part of the process. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I know you're putting in probably several braids in your hair when you're braiding and banding, but your hair is going to grow and you'll be braiding and banding less. At some point, you're going to get to the point where you don't have to braid and band. In my case, I still have to braid and band. I've had Sisterlocks for over 15 months. In a few days, it'll be 16 months. But I'm still braiding and banding. Notice that I am not braiding all the way up here. I'm just coming down. Don't want any slippage. And I don't want to upset what's going on down here with my locks, with my little coils. So I will stop braiding. I will get the band. And I bought these bands on March 4th, 2019, after getting my Sisterlocks installed. And I've been braiding and banding with them ever since. I'm getting ready to get into the shower. And then I'll be back in front of you. Now, one thing I want to tell you about braiding and banding. I'm braiding and banding my hair this way because I am going to see if I can get my hair into a ponytail. If I really wanted to wear my hair out after my shampoo, as if I was going to do a braid out, then I'd make these a little bit tighter. And I will see you in a little while. Shampooed my hair, and I will also place a link up above on one of these sides so that you can see how I banded my hair in the past. I want you to know that I'm still using my Design Essentials Peppermint and Aloe Therapeutic Anti-Itch Shampoo. There's a lot of people with microlocks and sisterlocks, or locks in general, that are saying that their scalp is itchy. Well, your scalp is more exposed than it was in the past because of the locks. And according to my consultant, it has something to do with the pH of your scalp. So don't put a lot of stuff on your scalp because I think your scalp is trying to adjust to the change. And that's me. That's me. You tell me what you think. But I am going to wear my hair in a ponytail today, so I'm going to be pulling it back like this. If I wear a ponytail, my gray is so prevalent. It's like I'm queen. I'm the prominent one of this hair. I'm getting ready to tame that gray a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm going to use to tame that gray is my Mofajang hair coloring material. This is what it comes in, and this is what it looks like. It looks like it's a grayish black. I'm going to rub it in. Hopefully you can see the difference already in the gray. Now, I'm not trying to get rid of the gray, just trying to tame it down a little bit. And I just need it on the top part. I am going to take this part back. And in preparation for my ponytail, I'm going to take my goodie clip. I'm going to clip it back there to hold that front part down. And I'm coming over to this side and just clip this down. And this is really what I have right now. And I'm going to tie my front down. And this gives me still the opportunity to take out the bands off the end of my hair. I'm going to go out in the heat. I'm going to get me some peaches. I'm going to take one of these ponytail holders. This is it. And I've separated my hair. And I am going to put it around like that. And hopefully I have them all in. And that's the first part. And I am going to take another ponytail holders, and I'm going to do the second part of my hair in the back. My hair is still a little damp, and if you notice, that gray is still really prevalent. So, Miss Jean, what are you going to do? I'm going to add some more Jane to it. That's what I'm doing. And I like it. I really do. Okay. And I may just put a clip somewhere in here, but right now, not doing that. So this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. And I love my subscribers also. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. And he put all of you in my life for a purpose. So be sure to join me at GeneG59 on Instagram. Let's try to build this channel, guys. So I want you to like, subscribe, and share with your friends on all of your social media sites. Thank you.